Welcome to South Asia. This is your facilitator J. Reddy and bringing you the knowledge about South Asian culture, history and heritage in the form of maps, icons and images for the easy grasping of the audience. And excuse me, we are continuing our fascinating journey in the land of Punjab, and this is a short presentation and I thought it will be very useful. I should have put it in the miscellaneous playlist. I have opened two playlists, Punjab history, Punjab geography too, so that you can go and find the appropriate material, and other folders, Madras presidency and Bombay presidency and Hyderabad, that is the princely state of Hyderabad and bearer Asafia, Nizamiya and the decline of Indian National Congress. And there are a couple of folders, and as soon as we find high point certain time, and I will start adding more and more videos, those so that we will cover and almost every length and breadth of the land from Kanyakumari to Karakoram eventually. Excuse me. And I decided to put this particular presentation under Punjab Geography playlist. It can be considered like a district. There is a difference between Gujarat and Gujarat. When we talked about a lot of the regions and places in Punjab, and we talked about Gujarat, that is in Punjab. There is also a province in India, in the western coastal region on the Arabian Sea, that is Sindhu Sagar, called Gujarat state. And we know very well about what is Kashmir, and there is a word Kashmir. So I will give you a very good clarity about among these four terms, so that a persons who start looking at this, they will be getting these words at one particular stage or not, and so that you won't be get lost and see what it is. There is a Gujarat and here I have put everything in that's our objective in South Asia maps, in the form of maps and images, so that you get the idea very clearly. Kashmir. What is Kashmir? Kashmir is a town. It is also a cantonment. It is a Sindh. This is the Sindh province. Picture from the Skagberg Atlas, captured around about 1857 at the time of first rebellion in the Indo-Gangetic Plains against East India Company Bahadur. And Kashmir is a town at that time. It's a cantonment. It's in North Sindh province between Maithan Court, that's the where Panjnad river joins Sindhu river, that is Mithan Court or Court Mithan, and Larkana district. See, let's look at Sindh province, so that this is the Sindh province. I will zoom it for you. What is Kashmir? Now Kashmir is a district. You see the difference in the spelling carefully. At the time of 1857, there are only 5 districts in Sindh province. Sindh division of Bombay presidency, actually. It was Bombay presidency, a Sindh division is a Konkan division and Desh division, and southern Canary speaking Bijapur, Dharwar and Belgaum and Karwar, these 4 districts, and Khandesh. So, and the northern part, it has a division called Sindh division. It was geographically discontinuous. And in the central part we have Ahmedabad, Surat and Kaira, Anand, those areas, Bahraich, and those are like a Gujarati speaking territory. That's not important here. So we at that time is called the Sindh province, Shikarpur district, or sometimes it's called Frontier district. It is a Jacobabad, is an important place, military cantonment, where the army can move from Jacobabad climb the Bolan Pass, enter Quetta, principal city in the Balochistan plateau, and again cross Kozak Tunnel, Kozak Pass, and enter in the Afghan lowlands and Kandahar, Ghazna, and Kabul. That's where British Army moved in the first war, Anglo-Afghan war. So the latter nowadays, there is a lot of reorganization of district. We have Shikarpur, Karachi, Hyderabad, Tarparkar, princely state of Kashmir, Khairpur, and adjoining Rajputana like Jaisalmer and Barmer and Jodhpur and so on. So that is about Kashmir. Kashmir is a northern part of Sindh, now a district, and its headquarters is Kandkot. That's bigger town than Kashmir. Kashmir is also town. And we know very well what is Kashmir. Kashmir is a northern part of Punjab, East Punjab and West Punjab. It was a part of Maharaja, here Jammu and Kashmir. It was the territory of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and Jammu region was ruled by his tributary Maharaja Raja Gulab Singh at that time. And after first Anglo-Sikh war, and when the Sikhs lost the war, and they have to pay a lot of indemnity of nearly 150 lakh rupees, and they had only 75, and remaining 75 they lacked the money, so they traded the territories, land to the East India Company Bahadur, and which did not want to control the territory. So Jammu ruler Raja Gulab Singh, a prominent courtier of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's Darbar at Lahore, came forward and gave 75 lakh Nanak Shahi rupees to the East India Company, and he made a treaty of Amritsar in March 1846. And all the hilly areas between river Ravi, this is Bias, this is Jhelum, this is Indus. From Ravi to Indus, they were given to Gulab Singh, constituting the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. Later, they moved the boundary from Indus to Jhelum, so that the Jhelum river separated British territories in the west like Hazara, Rawalpindi, and Jhelum district, Gujarat, and so on. So that is Kashmir, the princely state ruled by Jammuwalia Dogra Rajas, the Rajputs. And the last ruler was Maharaja Hari Singh, who signed the instrument of accession and acceded to the dominion of India. So that is the difference between Kashmir, that is a princely state ruled by Dogras, and Kashmir, northern part of Sindh province, on the western side of river Sindhu, and close to southern south of Maithankot and Bawalpur princely state, and also next to Jacobabad and all those Sukar and Khairpur, those regions. Gujarat and Gujarat. Gujarat we discussed many times. Gujarat is a town. It is also a taluk headquarter. It is also district headquarters in northern Punjab plains, in between the river Jhelum on the west and the river Chenab in the east, that is called Jachdob or Chasdob, that has three districts like Gujarat, Mandi, Bahauddin and Sargoda. It is close to the Mirpur district of princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, that is Maharaja Hari Singh Dogra's territory. Close to that, that is Gujarat. You have to keep in mind there is no A here. Gujarat. This is the Gujarat. A is missing. And most of the people are pretty aware Gujarat. Gujarat is a state now in India on the coast of Arabian Sea or Sindhu Mahasagar ocean. That is three geographical cultural areas. Northern part is Kutch speaking Buzz and all those Kanla and all those areas called Kacha, and western part is Kathiawad or Saurashtra, that is Rajkot, Jamnagar and Navanagar, Porbandar and Somnath, historic city of Somnath, and the temple city of Somnath and the island of Dayu and all those places, Surendranagar and Bhavnagar, Amreli and so on. And the plain part like Ahmedabad or Karnavati and Surat and Anand and Vadodara, Baroda. So that's the Gujarat. So we now pretty much know the difference between, in the part of, I brought it under Punjab geography because we are dealing with Gujarat town, Gujarat city, which is in the Chesdob. And we are also dealing with Kashmir most of the time because the river Jhelum separates it from most of the Punjab, east side Kashmir state, princely state, west side Punjab province. And we brought, that is Gujarat and Kashmir and Kashmir. And just we can look at in the actual the map and we will get a better clarity here. And as I told, we have the Sindh province here. We have Sindh, Jacobabad, Larkana, the homeland of Bhutto family, and Dado and Nawab Shah. And we have Rahim Yar Khan, and you can see here Multan, and this is the Mithankot and Panjnad here, Panjnad river, Panjnad, Mithankot, Shikarpur, the old district name, Jacobabad, and you see the Kashmir here. Entering from Mithankot into Kashmir along the river Sindhu or Indus means you are entering into Sindhi speaking area. That means you have Karachi here port, then the train goes along with and Kashmir and all those areas. So you have Karachi, Kashmir, Multan, and finally on the top you have the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. And we have seen many times Gujarat. See, you have Jhelum here and Jhelum, Gujarat. This is the Gujarat, the historical city in the Jhelum and close to the Mirpur area of the princely state of Hyderabad. And you have Jhelum river flowing on the west. So that is the Gujarat. And of course we know Gujarat, that is Kutch and Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Surat. It was formerly part of Bombay presidency, and in 60 or so bilingual Bombay presidency was bifurcated. Predominantly Gujarati speaking northern area, north of Daman Ganga river were designated as Gujarat, and Bombay presidency southern part were designated as Marathi speaking Maharashtra. So that is in general about the same thing we are seeing here. We have the Kashmir town here. See, you have a Sindh river, Kashmir town. You have Kashmir here, Kashmir town. And you can see the Mithankot or Kot Mithan, where the Sindh river joins with Panjnad or Panjnad joins with Sindh river. So that is about this small, the minor presentation, so that people can have a clear idea. And I have put it in the folder Punjab geography because the Gujarat district is in Punjab and that is different from Gujarat. And Kashmir, northern part of Punjab, and we discussed it extensively, and used to be a part of Ranjit Singh's territory, where British after first Anglo-Sikh War gave it to Gulab Singh and constituted a separate princely state. Thank you very much, and this is J. Reddy and your presenter, facilitator at South Asia in maps, images and icons, and please send your comments and any other points you want to discuss or add, and any of your criticisms or compliments, and continue. See you later in other presentation.